Having trouble cashing out your DoorDash earnings? You're not alone. There are four main reasons why cash out might fail, and fortunately, most have quick fixes. The most common issue is incomplete account verification. DoorDash requires three key documents to verify your identity before you can use FastPay. First, you need a valid government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license. The app will scan this to verify your identity. Second, you must provide your Social Security number for tax reporting and identity verification purposes. Third, you need to verify your bank account information to ensure payments can be processed correctly. The fix is simple. Complete all verification steps in your Dasher app settings. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours for approval. The second most common issue is incorrect banking information. Even a single wrong digit in your routing or account number will cause cash out to fail. Banks sometimes change routing numbers, or you might have entered information incorrectly during setup. Double-check these numbers carefully. To fix this, update your banking information in the Dasher app settings. Remember that changes take 24 to 48 hours to process, so be patient. Issue 3 involves daily cash-out limits. DoorDash Fast Pay allows you to cash out up to $2,000 per day. Watch as we show the current daily limit. If you've already cashed out this amount today, you'll need to wait for the reset. The daily limit resets every night at midnight Pacific time. You can also check your current usage in the app to see how much you have left. The fix is simple. Wait for the daily limit to reset, or use standard weekly pay, which has no daily limits but takes longer to process. The final common issue is insufficient balance to cover the Fast Pay fee. Every Fast Pay transaction costs $1.99. For example, if you have $20 in earnings but try to cash out the full amount, the transaction will fail because you need at least $1.99 to cover the fee. The solution is to reduce your cash out amount to account for the fee, or wait for weekly pay, which is free but takes longer to process. By addressing these four common issues, account verification, banking information, daily limits, and sufficient balance, you can resolve most cash-out problems quickly and get back to earning. When basic fixes don't work, these advanced troubleshooting steps can resolve persistent cash-out issues. First, ensure you're running the latest version of the Dasher app and have a stable internet connection. Outdated apps often cause payment processing errors. Clear the app's cache and force restart it. This resolves temporary data conflicts that can block payment processing. Contact your bank to verify your account can receive ACH transfers. Some account types have restrictions that block gig economy payments. ACH processing involves multiple steps between your bank and DoorDash. Any disruption in this chain can cause payment delays. Contact DoorDash support when issues persist beyond 24 hours, error messages are unclear, or you suspect security problems. The gig economy is rapidly evolving toward instant payment solutions. Understanding these trends helps you stay prepared for changes. Competitors like Uber Eats and Grubhub are offering similar instant payment features, making this a standard expectation across platforms. DoorDash is expanding its Dasher Direct program, offering no cash-out fees and instant access to earnings through their proprietary banking solution. The industry is exploring cryptocurrency payment options for faster, lower-cost transactions, especially for international Dashers. Stay prepared by regularly verifying your account details, keeping your app updated, and considering new payment options like Dasher Direct as they become available. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and staying informed about payment trends, you can ensure smooth and timely access to your earnings as the gig economy continues to evolve.